I feel like I'm cold enough to use his verse and freestyle my own emotions. So let's do this shit. Cause I got 4 minutes, do what I gotta do to prove to you that I would do anything. 4 minutes, say what I gotta say to make you stay, to show you that I didn't change. Cause in 4 minutes, I'll never have my girl again. I'm a loser to some other man. Fuck. Nah, keep it going. I can't sleep when you on my mind. I can't think, and it's crazy, cause I feel like I ain't talked to you in weeks. But in reality, it ain't even been a whole day yet. Maybe 12 hours, 38 minutes, and like 13, 14, 15 seconds, and I'm still counting. So what does it take to make things right and get things back how it used to be when it was fuck the world? Nothing else matters, only thing that you cared about was you and me. But now that your homegirls in your ear telling you shit that they don't even know about, you just blocked me out. You said you don't wanna hear it cause you know I'ma lie what you right about. So what's left to say? I'm admitting I'm guilty, me and make mistakes. I kinda figured you feel me. And if you don't, at least give it some thoughts so we can patch this up like a hole in the ceiling. Cause I'm just tripping, sitting, thinking about what could have been. But girl, I need time to make this right, with at least a couple minutes. Cause I got 4 minutes, do what I gotta do to prove to you that I would do anything. I need 4 minutes, say what I gotta say to make you stay, to show you that I didn't change. Cause in 4 minutes, I'll never have my girl again. 4 minutes, I'm a loser to some other man. 4 clocks and ticking, I got 5 seconds, I got 4 minutes, and I know that I can't sing, and that's a fact. That's one thing I know, I can't sing for shit, but I better have a whole lot of auto-tune on this shit.